Kif aħna kulħadd tajjeb. Illum ħankunu qegħdin nilagħbu Bobby Playtime Chapter 3 in anticipation ta' Chapter 4. Tiftakru l-aħħar stream li għamilna ta' Bobby Playtime kienet bl-Ingliż, però di ħana nagħmilha bil-Malti. Chapter 3 Deep Sleep. Okay. Chapter 3 Deep Sleep. In the aftermath of the train crash, you now find yourself stranded in the depths with a new goal in your sights. Tiftakru sew l-aħħar logħba Chapter 2 spiċċat fejn provajna naħarbu bil-ferrovija u ma ħallitniex għax Poppy devjat ilna l-kors. Ġifieri issa naħseb ħassir interessanti. Ejja nagħmlu new game. Laqna fiha.
What's the time? Playtime! S-M-I-L-E every day! When you are down and out, don't need to frown and pout. The smiley players here to say S-M-I-L-E every day!
Okay.
Okay, guys, I promise. All winds blow away. Eventually. Catnap! Please, help us go to sleep, Catnap!
We need it, Catnap! Please help us! Sleep! Sleep! Sleep!
Okay.
Everyone knows Huggy Wuggy and Poppy Playtime, but are your children safe from Playtime Co's latest toy? What you've seen here is Playtime Co's own Smiling Critters, a limited series cartoon meant to celebrate the release of the toys sharing its name. Yet both now face the fire sparked by the inclusion of one key member. This is Catnap. And like the others of his line, you just pull his little tail and seems innocent enough. However, parents across the country report their children experiencing strange and often violent nightmares. And beside them, their little, grinning Catnap doll. Now, with controversy growing, Playtime Co. has announced the recall of all Catnap toys from the Smiling Critters line. His image cleared from all promotional material. But damage already done, will disappearing be that easy? The exact cause of these incidents still unknown, only one thing appears glaringly certain. Your children are not safe with Catnap.
Xanna s-silla, thank you dal-likes. Oh, fej sejri. Xanna interessanti jew. Zeppi. Okay. So għana ġawwak. Find a way out. Min fej? Dajt jingħalaq. Okay, so bażikament ġejt. Okay, salvajna blazat. Issa xiex. Look around for objects to pull yourself up by holding. Ejwa, niftit ma nkun live għax kontat nirranġa daqxejn is-setup. Basement il-festi. Kont naqra busy. Kien nirranġajt li kottilkom naqqa s-setup u kollox fejn idu mmorru. Għal fuq. Alright. Ma ġara xejn. Okay. Stan konna fġara, għalfej waħel kollax. Tafa xi ħaġa. Lew. X'il-moment li ġejt biex naqbes. Waħel xi ħaġa. Right. Għaw taħt għanna il-compactor għara. Għaw xaħat. Għaw xaħna għanna xaħġa. Saving għanna puzzle oħraw. Għabek, mardu naqbżu minna għadaw. Easy peasy. Hop, 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 għala. Issa, xanna ktaraw. 1, 2, 3, 4 u għan nisfel. Easy, ħajja. Eeeeey. Tuħni sekund għandna naġġa ħaġa. Correct. Ma ġara xej. Raġa bdina minnu, għavija. Malajra mill-ni għadi. Wahda, 2, 3, 4. Sadi, li t-nżella missaw nefitawa. Dak ma derx l-ewwel. Tjajdu li chapter 4 ħatkun l-iktar chapter dark u xi rajta. Għal min kien prezenti f'chapter 1, nara banżaw bani miskin. Għal min kien prezenti f'chapter 1, jaf li għandi raġun għalfej. Ma nafdax vents. Okay. Candy cat snacks.
All right, Miss Harper. Please explain the situation. Spare no detail. Well, like any night, all the children were getting asleep. It was peaceful, quiet. Catnap had the red smoke in the room. Then suddenly, there was this scream. Nightmares happen, I know, but this, I mean, dilated pupils and quivering lips. The way her eyes darted around the room, and I swear, her hand in mine, it felt like her blood was boiling beneath her skin. She saw something too, something horrible. I'm sorry, I don't mean to. Miss Harper, we'll provide the very best care we can offer. You have my word. But this is important. Did Marie happen to describe what she saw? Yes, a monster, she said that it was colorless. Gosh, I could feel the poor little heart pounding. For her, it was right there. And her movements, they were so wild. Arms flailing, legs kicking. I wanted to talk to her, see how she's doing. I really need to hear her voice right now. That would not be advised, Miss Harper. There are many concerns we must address at this time. But vitals show normal, and we'll continue to monitor. She'll be okay. No! Well, pardon me if I'm not comforted by that. Just bring my little girl back to me.
Alright, interessanti, ħafna interessanti. U x'għandna hawn? Place the battery into the socket to supply power. Ħaġa oħra u ġewwi. S'issa qed nagħmlu progress hawn minnu, tagħmlu dan.
I'm Bubba Bubbafint. Hey, I remember you. An elephant always remembers.
Okay.
Want to know what I remember about you?
Nope. لا برو. نفتكر سوا دير ده نعمله هيك يساو ما ننسوها مشان الفرفق. التلفون. سكوبريني هذه على فهمي.
Did you do that? I guess that's where Catnap found you. I know you're probably mad at Poppy for not letting you escape, but she needs you. We need you. You are our mission. Together, we can save a lot of people, including you. Playcare is straight ahead. It's the home of Catnap, one of the smiling critters. There used to be 8 of them, I think. Now it's just him. Playcare is his church.
ما تصدق اللي كيف خان في الأول.
Hunting ground. Whatever he wants it to be. You better get moving quickly. We'll keep in touch. Oh, and by the way, my name is Ali. Nice to meet you.
اوكي اولي تصدق اللي كيف خان تطلعوا يم بليز. شوف لا شيء. Never mind. CCTV. سوا شلنا شيرلان بيلا جوليان كيف احنا كنا سوا ويلكم جو الستريم سيفينج شو ايوه ذهبنا دانيال عملنا نقرا بروجريس نقرا
Hello, my name is Elliot Ludwig. When you look around at the world today, what one thing do you think it needs more of? I asked around once. Money, I never have enough. Understanding, I can never get any. Faith, the common man has lost it. Each answer was different. And I could perhaps see some little truth in each. But I think each was also missing something. Something simple. You see, not one of them could muster a smile. A smile is hope. A smile is love. A smile is understanding. And there is nothing more gratifying to my soul than being the reason for a child's smile. To be the spark that ignites all
اسمع سيحبي
hopes
لا
and
تتكلم
dreams.
تصدق إلا
For
الفي
it is only
اصنع
through
همروا في
hope
الانفيرنو
and dreams that we may create a better world. One
لا.
where our children need not be afraid. One where they are protected. After all, this company and its toys are nothing without them. These children deserve to smile, they deserve to love, and they deserve a safe
بدنا
home.
نقصف
That is why it is with enormous pleasure that as the founder of Playtime Co, I announce Playcare, our very own on-site orphanage. But it's not
Thank you,
only
Stella.
that. It's a school, a playhouse, a place to belong. Our very own ecosystem beneath the surface, dedicated in
Don't go
every
in there.
inch and
That's way too
detail
late,
to
it's so.
ensuring a child's smile. Its teachers and counselors, mothers and fathers, until such a time they have all of that in you. May Playcare bring joy, inspiration, and smiles to all who enter these doors. For what gives life its meaning if not a smile?
وصلنا بدا يضيقنا دا يجمبل
It's me again, Ollie. Cool place, right?
خفنا
Kids used to live here. Now look at it. Anyways, do you see that statue in the middle of the room? Take the stairs that go under it. There's a really cool room in there that powers literally all of Playcare.
نحسبها لو
I can give you a
خياري
key down there.
ماشيين
So, you got the key. Now the
وصلت
question you're probably asking yourself
شغلتها
is, where does it go? Well, head back out, and you should find a door just to the left of the cable car you took down here.
نحسبها لو جايتهم كيف بالكلام وقدر على كواليتا رايت ما نش لاجينج يا وكوش دانيال
to the gas production zone, the beating heart of the whole evil play care system. All that gas you see coming from the machine is made right here in the factory. It's called the red smoke. Right now, it's all headed off to the right. We need to make that red smoke go left instead. That's how we can get to him. The machine will probably have a few dumb safeguards for you to work around, but I think you can do it. I'll call you once it's done.
Għandu fiduċa fija t-tifel. Għanna betri. Għannet. Grab Pack 2.0 Working prototype. Extended wire length. Swapping hands is easy. Prototype has air jets to break long falls. Ġveri ħajtina basket differenti. But watch where you land. Not all ground is safe to touch, fair enough. Thank you. Use the Grab Pack 2.0 with care. Ma fiħan ġib wieħed. Fiħan ġib wieħed Grab Pack. Għaxan fiħan ġib Grab Pack ta' fil-rokna qudiemek. Oh. Għanna idea oħra issa. Ok. Oh, x'tagħmel dirit, eżatt. Ej! Hopla. Nara ċans. Olej. Araw di. Wieħed, snej, tlieta. Olej. Kemm niflaħna għannejk. Ja ħasra. Skom ma rajtu xej. Ekkolet. Issa għaw x'għandna. Ma mux ħanwassal zem. Pipe dan mela, naħseb tajdu li dal-pipe. Olej. Sa nibdu xejla. Għal naqra. Hopla, u naħseb irdu naqbżu għaw fuq. Il-puzzles bieħ, s'issa jogħġbuni dal-puzzles. Għalli about time it-tela bajla xi sena li ħarġet. Better late to the party than never. Issa u x'għandna għaw għandna oħra minn daw. Okay. Mela naħseb irridu nixagħlu dik. Issa nagħmlu hekk ara. Le, għaliex mhux taħdem. Mhux taħdem min. Nuża din idej forsi. Xorta mhux taħdem. Titqabbad iż-żewġ torrijiet ma' xulxin. Żomm. Din. Okay. All right. Well done. Issa l-oħra. Issa naħseb għal rridu nagħmlu bil-kontra. Kemm aħna tajbin. Mhux infetaħ issa. Fatilna. Ġejna, saving, okay. Ġej xi jump scare. Għaw progress tajjeb issa. X'għandna l-generator. Għana il-buda minn għawalaw. Ġi għaw, all right. Ġala. Hello. Lena Malta. Oh, hey.
Oh no! Someone killed the power.
Min jaf min.
I sent you another key. It's under the statue. Use it to get into Home Sweet Home. Then once you're inside, find the building's backup generator. Good luck.
Informazzjoni nqata' d-dawl. Mustax idlamaw għaw barra. Dak għal-ħajtina xi ġavet toħra u isfel. Home Sweet Home. Sarim waħdi Home Sweet Home fejn nkun naf. Nassumi li da, unika bini bid-daw fih. Għon nispera ma jħroġ ħaġa li jafda d-lam. Xin nisma. Dan issa mmur fih dan. L-idej fejdi. Għadhom li. Ma nistax niġri l-qas. Jekk taraw l-aesthetics ġewwa isu bħal ma sibna lil Poppy ġo dik mhux gwardaroba, il-vetrina. Happy and fun. Why was it done?
Tragic news this morning. As of 9:45 a.m., local authorities report that the body of a young boy has been found on the estate of the late Elliot Ludwig, an esteemed toy maker and originator of the Playtime Company. At this time, an identity for the child awaits official confirmation. Found in an upstairs bedroom in a large duffel bag, officers on scene report that the remains appear to have been disturbed. Organs as well as key bones from the skeletal structure were reported missing from the body. It is unknown at this time whether this extraction was, in fact, the cause of death. Following recent events, Playtime Co was asked for any comment regarding the discovery. This is what they had to say. Quote, "It's sickening. Elliot Ludwig was a great man, and those who knew him understood that he was not capable of violence, let alone what others now claim. He had a deep love in his heart for children like this one, making the actions of whoever planted this body all the more sick. We look forward to clear his good name, both in the public eye and in the eyes of the law." Stay tuned for more.
Yeah. Stay tuned for more. Oh, xaħatta. Telefon. Jgħat jgħidu lew. Ġifieri. Oj. Bdejna kil bambini rid. Hello. Bus.
Despite Playtime's proclamation of Ludwig's innocence,
Fih radio.
inclusive and mysterious nature displayed over the previous decades lends suspicion to this claim. When questioned, Ludwig's neighbors indicated that he would often return to his home in strange hours of the night and depart again before sunrise. Some believed he was sick. Others that, don't move an inch. Playtime Co, it seems, intends to keep Elliot's name within its brand regardless. What is sure to be a long legal battle will follow.
Okay, ma safe to say li din hija creepy din id-dar. Għamena għaw ġew. Okay, morna ħala. Skużani ta' ma ħallastuħx l-axħar kont għadda. Mawħat id-dar. Nowhere is more haunted than the menu. Than the mind. بس نقرا ما نعرف. بص Nassumi li ħajkolli mmur warajh. Haunts you. Guilt haunts you. Okay. Nduru f'xorko tontaw. Interessanti. Mhux hawn isfel. Guilt haunts you. So xemmurru hemm ġew. Ma rridx nagħlab iżjed.
Get up. Get up. Get up.
Dak xi jaħbad minn.
Get up.
Dak qattus. Jew bestja. Spiċċaw għadna l-kuraturi. X'jena nismaw ġew ġew. Happy and fun, why was it done?
Greetings, employees, and welcome to your first day here in Playtime. We're certain that in the days to come, you'll find your new family here every bit as loving and supportive as your own. Feel free to wander the halls, sit in the mess for lunch, or watch our children play and learn to their little hearts' content. Join the innovationists where the bounds of science are continuously pushed, or join the counselors of Playcare whose diligence and care for our children will help shape a brighter future. Just you see. Now, every one of you has your part in that future, so should you come back tomorrow feeling unhappy for where you are or what you've done, worry not, for your supervisor is here and happy to listen. And should you come back years later, your conscience finally getting the better of you, may you descend into the dark and the dust, finding all that awaits you are incomprehensible horrors, each hungry for your return, each eager that they might find you. Perhaps they'd smile at you from a shadow, their smiling mouths full of teeth and meat and plastic, watching and waiting patiently for their turn at a warm welcome. Or perhaps they won't allow you such time to figure your place in the world you'd left.
Okay.
A world that's theirs now. Welcome home.
Nista' noħroġ iva. Jiġri bro. Jiġri. ħajlħaqna. Really. Okay. Ma nistax nidħol. Ħanidħol hemm. Use a gas mask beyond this point. Red smoke in use. Ma gas mask m'għandekx jien. Waħda. F. Sewwa. Kassetti, ieħor fejn il-kasett?
Subject is stable. Designated 1322. Clear neural abnormalities were detected in his recent checkup. Though highly irregular, we've pulled him from the home sweet home just before lights out to perform...
What is he doing with my friend?
What are you doing out of bed? How did you get in here?
Is Kevin sick? Why did you take him away?
Yes. Kevin is very sick. Very, very sick. But we want to make him better. But he can only get better if we take him to where we can provide proper care and give him proper rest.
Well, do you really think he will be okay?
I should think so. We're good at what we do, son. We paid attention in school, learned, and got our proper rest when we needed it. Just like you need it now, I should think. Come now, let's get you on back to bed.
Okay.
It's been a pleasure meeting you, Joseph. And I promise you, your friend will be all right. When you see him again, he'll have never been better.
Okay, Joseph. Let's go, Joseph. X'għandna bofu? Dak x'jaħbad. Nżabu battery oħra għalaw. Sirt nanħasat mix-xej. Mulej ħanin. X'għandna x'inti taraw? X'inhi tara? Xi frame? Li ma mhux ħadtina fastidju isa. نورهم الخسارة. They're going to be pissed off. من تجري؟
Hi there. I'm Piggy. Let's eat.
Okay.
Roast beef. Delicious.
Roast beef طيب.
Grilled chicken. Down the hatch.
Chicken طيب وكل.
Seared elephant. Yum.
لا elephant لا but.
Played unicorn.
Alright. Ciao buddy. No better than that. Hey. Oh. Amor la jinbadi, ma rajt ċejta. Hey. Fadni bil-petri. Għadnex nafdom il-vents għalla ġiet traumatizzat f'chapter 1. Okay, għana bżon battery oħra. Kienet ħatqabbatni attak nervus. Bżon nisibu battery oħra għan fejn. Nġaw nitilgħu fuq. ximot rridu nerġgħu nitilgħu fuq. Kif għadni ma nafx. Okay. Ftemna. Da suppost mitfi. tuża d-dawl l-aħdar biex titla' t-taraġ. Hemm x'hekk għamilt. Zom. Okay. Naħseb. Rġax tamela. Kisru l-om kull mem ġoddar. Jesus Christ. يعجبني. generator wara fejnu. Saving. Da xanni, u right? Jarek ġbin. Press E to use the turret. X'inhi bis-sens del-puzzle. Issa x'għandna? Issa din. Wara di titmiss. Naħseb l-oħra. Naħseb fejn tmur din għall-isfel. Fejn tmur dik. Ma żomma u dal-bieb hawn. Mela sekonda. Mhux jinxel. Tagħmel metna jibda. Għaxet jitla da, mela zom. Zom, għan xarru di l-ewel. Maħna quick. Ma fejn bdejna. Ciao ciao. Okay.
No! Let go! They didn't do anything wrong. We're actually here to help. This place makes her tense.
Galili.
I'm glad that Ollie could help you get this far. He's the reason we found you at all. Looks like the train crash hurt us both. You've been through so much. You deserve an explanation. Come on. Hey, you'll be okay. We'll be okay. not your enemy. But I can't just let you leave. What's happening down here is bigger than all of us. I need you. So we can get revenge on those monsters who've tortured you. Who've tortured us. They didn't act alone. They're disciples of the original. The prototype. Do the honors?
Oh.
The prototype knows we're coming by now. If you try to escape, he'll kill you before you ever reach that front door. He's the reason I was trapped in that god-awful case for so long. You have no idea the things he's done. Let me help you kill him. Let me help you save everyone. We've all seen you, how capable you are. You killed Huggy. You killed Mommy. You freed me. You are perfect for this. Catnap is coming. He's the final obstacle the prototype has placed against us. I can't stay here. Keep yourself safe. Ollie will call you.
Ciao. Għandek semmit li Ollie's le, catnap is coming. Jino catnap.
Hey, it's me again.
Enter ġajt.
It seems like Poppy explained everything now, and she turned on the dome's backup power. Now the plan from here is pretty simple. We need to restore power to the gas production zone. First, go back to the Home Sweet Home building you were just in. You should be able to find a big power cord somewhere around the porch. Grab it and plug it in underneath the statue.
Għaw xie jentatura oħra. Għaw di.
Awesome! Look at that! Remember that generator you turned on inside of Home Sweet Home? Well, that was a backup generator for just that building. And every building should have one. Now you've just taken Home Sweet Home's backup power and routed it here. We're already halfway done. But where to go next? Everywhere is pretty dangerous around here. That playhouse especially. Yuck. So, your best bet is probably the school. Catnap usually leaves that place alone. Sending you the key now.
Skola, li min skola. Di.
Okay, make this quick. Turn on the generator, leave, and plug the school's power cord into the center. Be careful in there. I don't think I can connect to you on that side of the dome. And you won't be alone. There's someone else in there too. They're not your...
Saf zajtni. Tajt la qabel jew xi ħadd ieħor. Minnaw.
This is Miss Delight speaking. Please excuse the interruption. Students, remain in your seat until the bell has rung. And no going in the halls without a hall pass.
يعني نظام بطارية أخرى. من كانت؟
Wait, I recognize you.
لا.
Yes, I remember. You used to work here. How are you? Alive. Barb? Oh. Barb says you're looking for your co-workers. Catnap wouldn't like that you're here. You should leave. For your own safety.
في السينارينا حتجددنا. ناقصنا بطارية أخرى. بغيت نجيبوها البطارية الأخرى. بدنا نسمع الباسي. ما يعجبوني شيء ذا الباسي. لازم أنا
Not a good listener, are you?
Għatma
You're
kont.
not like the other humans in that way. I wonder if your screams will sound like theirs too. I look forward to finding out.
Għattedidna s-senjorina. Mux ħana qodu għalija. Wow. Okay. ماشي. Seconda, ġeveri għatlajt minnaw. Fejn morna.
Students, find my sisters and I to learn facts across a variety of subjects. Press my button to hear some facts on anatomy. Did you know that there are 60,000 miles of blood vessels in the human body? For comparison, the Earth around the equator is almost 25,000 miles.
Għaddi l-antika jaw. Nesċil. Oh, li meni. La 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 la. Okay, fair تمور بالسرد. اجري برو. Fuck. Better ما ندير بزاف نارمية. هاني جيو أنا. أوه. Spicy teacher. Ok, dawk il-passi tagħha jagħmlu niskondu ħafna. Xirrid nagħmel għajt. Fakka u msakkar. Naħseb mhux xogħol tal-lejla dan. Għajt nirraġa nibdew minn hawn, mela tajjeb. Narħu lallu. Thank you l-min jgħat fil-lives. U min jidħol YouTube, thank you wkoll. Tidħlu taraw il-videos, nopprezza ħafna. Sa nkomplu part 2 darb'oħra.